Thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Hi everybody, it's that time of year for fun fall outfits where everything isn't covered by jacket. I wanted to show outfits that actually work when it's still 80 degrees out, but you want that fall feeling. You're over summer. So here it is. First of all, I've been having so much fun with color, so you're gonna see that is how I've been portraying the fall outfits a lot, rather than silhouettes or textures or anything like that when it's still too hot outside. I felt like black jeans and a brown top and black shoes felt very fall. Put this jacket on just because it's so cute, and even if it is colder where you live, you can get away with that. But back to the warmer fits. I put a belt over my like boxer type shorts. Why is it so good? And why does it make my little gingham shorts that were so summery feel so fall now? Same brown top, but gingham shorts, black sambas, and black socks. Swap out your white socks for black socks and it will change everything. I switched it out for this little half zip or double zip sweater if it's a little bit cooler out, but yeah, I'm loving these gingham shorts with the belt around them, and they do help keep my pants up because the elastic fell out, whatever. Okay, and then a little bit more warmer with a little graphic tee. I love this like very colorful graphic tee paired with everything, and then black cowboy boots are very fall appropriate to me. I've shown this little skirt before, you've seen this little shirt a million times, and here are my new Mary Janes. You either love them or you hate them, and I love them. Pairing them with little black socks tones them down a little bit, but this is such a cozy outfit that feels fall, but it's a summer silhouette. It is a summer outfit. I switched out the top for a tighter peachy dun top, and I thought that these two patterns were kind of fun together. Maybe not my first choice now looking at it, but it's fun and it's different, and hopefully it just sparks something for you to make with your clothes. I also like the Mary Janes without socks. You've already seen this sweater before, still the same skirt, and without socks is honestly a lot cooler if it's hot outside. So I can get away with wearing the sweater now because I don't have socks on. Sweaty feet syndrome? Probably. Sorry to anyone who's next to me. Here's that jacket again, but more appropriate because I paired it with these shorts. The jacket is thrifted, and the silhouette of it is just absolutely amazing. It does so much for an outfit. I love my little Adidas track pants, so I put those on with the Mary Janes and my sweater. Again, this would be a little bit of a cooler day, but I don't know why this outfit's so good to me. It's that wrong shoe theory, and dressing up Adidas track pants is like my love language. I do it with the Adidas shorts. I'm gonna do it with the track pants. Swapping out the shorts with a very dark wash jean and cuffing the bottom because they're way too long on me, and then putting a bright colored sneaker with it. But I felt like it was still too hot for the weather right now, so I like it with the peachy dun top, but I like more of an all muted outfit if I'm gonna do my colorful Onitsukas. So you'll see here I added this Zara top, and I just love this silhouette. You still need the belt no matter what, even if it's covered. Like when you walk and sit down and stuff like that, you'll see it. And then I did it again, but more dressed down with this Nike graphic tee that Brandon thrifted for me like 7 years ago, which is crazy. Okay, then switching out the top for this little Vivienne Westwood cardigan. It's super thin, so I felt like it was okay. And then my Mary Janes, and I uncuffed the pants because for some reason that made sense to me. Okay, then this outfit I was trying to figure out. We've got the little skirt, and I added a belt to it, which I really like how it looks. The cinching is just beautiful. And with the Vivienne Westwood cardigan I just had on, and I tried it with the brown fry boots because I wanted it a bit more dressed down, and it wasn't working, so I added these black riding boots. So stinking good. It made me re-fall in love with these black riding boots because I feel like I just was not styling them correctly. And I wanted to show you a flop. Like, how kindergarten teacher is this outfit? I was really upset by it. I lanified it and added my Adidas track pants and sambas because that's all I'm good for, honestly. I like gingham, dressed up or dressed down, and I don't know. To me, it works. This looks like the most perfect gingham set ever. It's not a set. I thrifted these top and bottoms at 2 separate occasions, and I've styled this before with like kitten heels. It's so good with sambas. I posted on my Instagram, so you can see it there. Okay, then this is a pretty simple outfit, but it's effective. This little dress I got off Whatnot. a little Moschino belt I got off Poshmark, and Fry boots. I love black and brown for the fall time. And these Fry boots I got off Facebook Marketplace for 45 bucks. Insane. This one was just playing with the colors, cargo pants, adding my belt added so much, and then this little like brown sweater. Can you tell how bad I am at posing? It's insane. And then black shoes, just everything. No more white sneakers in the fall, okay? Swap out your white sneakers for anything, any other color, and it will elevate your outfit so much. Very crazy outfit, but I love it. I again just love this t-shirt paired in a way that you would never think. So I have these little cheetah pants that I got off Poshmark forever ago, and it's cute. That was my last outfit. I love you guys so much. Here's Squarespace. I have some exciting news when it regards my Squarespace website. I actually just made a new Squarespace website, and this one is for the online store. So you guys have been asking so much about this straw baby tee that Brandon screen prints himself, and we have finally found the blanks we want to use and get them to you guys. So Squarespace is perfect for selling your products on an online store. Whether you sell physical or digital products, Squarespace has the tools you need to start selling online. This is something you're interested in, something that is really crucial to an online store is having a mailing list. Get the right message to the right people, collect email addresses through your website, and send subscribers the information they care about the most with a unique mailing list. And lastly, something I'm so big on that Squarespace always offers is the blogging and commenting features. Create a community on your Squarespace website with a fully integrated commenting system that supports threaded comments, replies, and likes. Use their powerful blogging tools to categorize, share, and schedule your posts too. So make sure to check out squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/LaineyOzark to save 10% off the first purchase of a website or domain. See you guys on my site.